Hello friends, welcome to Pebbles. Today you are going to learn shapes and colors. Let's start. What is this? This is circle. What is this? This is square. What is this? This is triangle. What is this? This is rectangle. What is this? This is cross. What is this? This is heart. Let's start coloring. Let's do painting. Wow, very nice. What is this color? This is red color. What is this color? This is blue turquoise. Let's start painting. Yes, we finished. This is turquoise blue. This is triangle. Let's start painting. This is yellow color. Yes, we finished. This is yellow color. This is rectangle. Let's start coloring. What is this color? Orange. We finished coloring orange. This is orange. Next, cross. What is this color? Green color. Let's start painting. Yes, we finished. What is this color? Violet. Let's start painting. Yes, we finished. Violet color. Hi kids, we have learned shapes and color. You hope you enjoyed very well. You like this video?